The last episode. Who's going to win? I'm so excited!
What's this?
Paula! You won!
I won! I won! That's amazing! I won! Oh, well done!
What?
You were amazing.
I won!
Well done.
Hello? Hello? I'm in here!
Huh?
Hello?
Oh. Huh?
Woohoo! Yes! Yahoo! So, Paula won. Well done, Paula.
I won! I won! That's amazing!
Bob, Paula, Fran. Let's look at your last 5 days.
Hi.
Hi! Hi!
Hello.
That was only 5 days ago. London is so good. Let's go!
You stayed in London?
You went shopping.
And I went to the parks.
Oh, you worked for the money.
I worked on a farm. It was horrible.
I worked as a chef. Today, I'm a chef. I didn't like it. This is horrible.
I wanted to stop. It was so difficult.
I want to stop. It's so difficult. I can't do it.
This was crazy. I worked as a chef.
I went to the parks.
I wanted to stop. You were amazing.
It was horrible.
This was crazy.
So, Bob, how were your last 5 days?
Difficult, but I liked it.
Fran?
Very difficult. I wanted to stop, But I'm so happy I did it.
So, Paula, you won. You were amazing. How were your last 5 days?
Amazing. It was amazing. And I won.
Cheers.